stages of a criminal proceeding?
All right, stages of a criminal proceeding, it depends. If you're looking at like a felony, you have a first appearance, sometimes you do roll a omnibus, usually it's a pretrial trial. Depending on the county and the judge, there's maybe hearings in between, there are random names for it all over the state. So let's go first appearance. Big things with first appearance are mostly conditions of release. Either someone's out of custody, if they've been arrested and they're in custody, usually determine, is there going to be any bail? Bail, you're looking at things like, are they a flight risk? Are they going to be a danger to society or the alleged victim based on the allegations? Is it something where the state's even allowed to hold them in custody? Have they followed all the procedure? So those are the main issues. There are a lot of side issues that can come up at a first appearance, but that's usually what you deal with. If you fast forward to an omnibus hearing, then it gets a lot more complex. You're looking at usually it's 4th, 5th, or 6th Amendment constitutional issues, if they exist. There are a lot of other issues that a defense attorney can bring up in an omnibus hearing. In addition, afterwards, you go to a pretrial and trial, if it even gets that far. Most cases are going to settle before trial, but if you go to a trial with a felony, it's going to be usually 12 jury members. You're going to usually have a judge and a jury. You could have a bench trial with just a judge. It's always an option. And at that point, the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt every element of every crime they're alleging against the defendant. So those, in a nutshell, are the stages of a criminal case.